guys, what's going on? Welcome back to Glamour Gadgets and Gaming by Leah. And guys, today I have Xiaomi's Poco X3 NFC smartphone here in front of me. I have been using this fantastic phone for around 2 weeks now, and you guys will agree it probably is the best value smartphone currently available. It's an incredible phone for so many reasons. The specs and features including a 120Hz display, snapdragon chipset, 64 megapixel quad camera and a 5160 milliamp battery, and so many other mid-range to flagship specs and features, all for under £200, make it a no-brainer. Guys, here is quite possibly the best mid-range smartphone of 2020 for a total budget price. So today I'll be sharing a quick unboxing, specs and features, a bit of gaming, benchmark scores, camera tests, etc. So let's quickly get it out the box. So guys, in the box we have a power adapter, a USB Type-C cable, a SIM ejector tool, some user guides, and a warranty card. We also have a soft gel case and Xiaomi's Poco X3 NFC smartphone. Here we have it guys, the Poco X3 NFC. I do have the cobalt blue here in my hand, but it also does come in shadow grey. It has a pretty solid polycarbonate body, which is in great condition considering I've been using it for around 2 weeks. You may spot some tiny scuffs and fingerprints on it. It is prone to fingerprints, as you can see. However guys, it does come with this rubbery casing just in case you want to pop it on, and it also very conveniently comes with a screen protector already on it. And guys, the branding, Poco branding here, quite bold. What are your thoughts on it? Here on the right hand side we have the volume rocker and the power button. The fingerprint sensor mounted here and integrated with the power button, and the face recognition feature both work great. On the left hand side we have a SIM card tray. At the bottom we have a USB Type-C charging port, a headphone jack, a mic and the stereo speakers. And at the top here we have another mic, and at the back guys, check out those cameras. 64 megapixel AI super camera. And here at the front guys we have the front facing 20 megapixel selfie camera. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G, it has a stunning high resolution 2400 by 1080 smooth 120Hz dot display with 240Hz ultra high touch sampling rate. Now guys, scrolling up and down and around the phone is quite an enjoyable bug-free experience with no app crashes, lag or slowdown. Thanks to the 64 megapixel quad camera setup, the picture and video quality is very decent. We also have an AI mode to boost vibrancy, and guys, it in my opinion outperforms many budget rivals. It picks up details very clearly and has some great colour accuracy. Check out these for yourselves. And guys, night mode. We have some slight brightness in the pictures. The stabilization at 4K mode is impressive. And I've come out for my morning stroll. The roads are empty, streets are empty. It's just me, myself and I hope you guys are well and have a fantastic happy Friday guys. Mwah. See you later. And this camera can take some pretty decent low light shots. I have played with the 2 megapixel macro lens. The 13 megapixel ultra wide lens is decent and has a great main sensor. And this bonus mode here gives us some fun and cool features to play with. And a large 5160 mAh battery, which gives us around 10 hours of gaming, 17 hours of videos and 153 hours of music playback from a single full charge.
But could you kill him?
We have 33 watt super fast charging with liquid cooling technology, which gives us around 62% charge in around 30 minutes. Considering this is a budget to mid-range smartphone, the high-res stereo speakers output very decent audio, music, videos, all sound awesome on it.
Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now. Baby, I took a half of just me and you.
I'm here.
It runs Xiaomi's MIUI 12 based on the Android 10 OS. And guys, I have rarely found any issues with the MIUI 12. It's light, clean, smooth, bug-free and quite impressive to be honest, especially when compared to the older versions or even Samsung's current OS. And guys, thanks to this beautiful 120Hz display, gaming on this handset is so dreamy. I've played COD, Asphalt, PUBG, all these games play silky smooth, and with this in my hand, I don't feel the need to cough up around £1,000 for a decent gaming handset. The 240Hz response rate and the gaming turbo mode, plus the added cooling technology, keeps this beauty from overheating and gives us a pleasant gaming experience. And as I mentioned earlier, all this is backed up by a very decent 5160 mAh battery, which easily gives me around a day and a half battery life after a crazy hectic day of use.
UAV recon standing by. Repeat, UAV recon is standing by.
How are you going? Ugh.
Kill confirmed.
All this and so much more for only £200. Now this in my opinion makes this smartphone the best mid-range flagship spec budget priced smartphone and no doubt an all-rounder smartphone of 2020 so far. Now this opinion of mine may change. We do have lots more exciting smartphones yet to come this year, so who knows. We have Bluetooth version 5, which connects perfectly fine with my earbuds, my car speakers, etc. This beauty is also equipped with some crucial features, some of which even some flagships costing around £1,000 plus still do not feature. Now these include NFC, IR blaster, IP53 splash proof protection, and once again guys, the much welcomed, my favourite, the 3.5mm headphone jack. And for those of who need it, it also supports Widevine, Level 1 certification and HDR10. And guys, although it does not have a 5G modem, I'm not complaining, especially at £200. You really can't ask more from this phone. The hardware and software packed in this phone are incredible, especially when compared to some mid-range smartphones costing around £400 to £500 out there. Now share your thoughts, guys. What do you think of Xiaomi's Poco X3 NFC smartphone? It is available to buy globally. I have left the links for it in the description box below, so do go and check them out and share your thoughts on it, guys. What's your favourite feature? What do you dislike about it? I look forward to reading your thoughts in the comment box below. And guys, if you do have any questions, do pop them down in the comments below. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and if you have, be sure to like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit that bell icon above. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook and Instagram to be notified of my upcoming videos, giveaways, etc. And that's me done for now, guys. Till the next one, take care, stay safe, bye.